Share ko lang ito. Good morning everyone. Yeah, share ko lang ito sa group natin so that makita naman nila. Share ko lang ito. Good morning everyone. Yeah, share ko lang ito sa group natin so that makita naman nila. Something wrong with my voice? Taka lang ha, bakit ganito ang boses ko? Hindi dapat ganito eh. Let me just restart my microphone. And how about now? Testing. 1, 2, 3. And how about now? Hey, sound check. 1, 2. Oh. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Alright, share ko lang din ito sa sound check. 1, 2. Natuwa ako sa boses ko eh. Baka ganito ginagawa ng mga DJ kaya lumalalim ang boses nila. Natuwa ako sa boses ko eh. Baka ganito ginagawa ng mga DJ kaya lumalalim ang boses nila. So, I don't have time to troubleshoot my microphone. So, pasensya nyo na yung boses ko ngayon eh. So, I don't have time to troubleshoot my microphone. So, pasensya nyo na yung boses ko ngayon eh. I'm sure what's wrong with the microphone. Hey, sound check. 1, 2. Hey, sound check. 1, 2. Sure, what's wrong with the microphone? Hey, sound check. 1, 2. Hey, sound check. 1, 2. Right, so we're gonna start in 2 minutes. I'm just gonna adjust my microphone for a bit. Let's wait for the others. And we have 40 already. Yan, basahin ko lang mga tao. Right, good morning. Ross, Melvin, hello. May, ayan, si May question ka agad. We're gonna start in 2 minutes. Vita, sige, lagay ko si Vita sa list ko ha. Unahin kita, May. Straw Hat. Yan. Good morning from Saudi. PXP naman. Usulat ko si PXP. Yan. In a while, sasabihin ko sa inyo ano mga picks ko today. Lagay ko si Vita sa list ko ha. Unahin kami. 1 minute. Straw Hat. Yan. Good morning from Saudi. PXP naman. Usulat ko si PXP. In a while, sasabihin ko sa inyo ano mga picks ko today. Right. Rene. Good morning, Romeo. Yan. Tingnan ko lang kung anong problema ng microphone ko. Nothing. I'm not doing anything with my microphone. How about this one? Rene, good morning, Romeo. Tingnan ko lang kung anong problema ng microphone ko. How about this time? Isang side lang. Ayaw talaga. Hey, sound check. 1, 2. How about this time? Isang side lang. Ayan pa rin. So just make it two sides. Yan. Anyways, pahala na yung bosses ko. Right, good morning, Day, Chatel, Rene. Yan, from Calamba, Laguna. Very good. Rain Huge, Deng, good morning. Grace, Maria Ortega, good morning. Shells, Romel, ang dami, Poch. I won't be able to greet everyone. Ayan. And yeah, pasensya na sa boses ko. I'm just gonna be troubleshooting my microphone. This is new, so I don't know how to use this. Right, but anyways, yan. So, let's start with market. Kamusta si PSEI? Yan. Check ko si PSEI ha. Ulit. PSEI. So, ang pangit. Grabe. Kahapon, only 20%, around 20% lang ng mga stocks sa 300 na stocks andito sa Pilipinas. Ang konti lang, napakaliit lang ng mga nag-gain. Yan, di ba? So, this is my screener. Let me pull PSEI. Yan. Look at this. PSEI broke its support. Ang unang support was this one right here, around 7.5. And right now, it is at 7.420. Yan, tingnan ko lang. So, hindi pa siya, RSI is still not at, what do you call this? Not at oversold area. But hopefully, this will recover already. Yan, wag na tayong bumaba. Please, please, please. But what to do in this kind of market? Ano dapat gawin natin? Yan. Right now, the market is uncertain. Kaya, wag muna kayong mag-hold on to your stocks, right? The best strategy for this kind of market is trading lang muna. Right? Whenever you gain, you sell half and then let the other half ride. Cut loss lang at your purchase point para overall, whatever happens after that gain, sitting pretty na kayo kasi may gain na kayo. Don't be greedy. Don't try to win all. Pag nanalo ka ng ganitong this much, don't hold on to your stock. Wag na kayo mag-hope na aakit pa yan or tataas pa yan lahat. Wag. Because the market is still very bearish. It broke the support as of the moment. And so, tingnan ko lang to. Yan. Tingnan yan. See, market close at 7,470. Right? Hope nakikita yung screen ko. Yan. 7,470. Ang pangit ng market. So, please, do not hold on to your stocks. If you are trading, right? Don't be greedy to hold on to everything. Pero wag naman greedy na sell everything. Because you never know. Baka naman umakyat pa. Sayang naman. I consider those, yung pag nabenta mo lahat tas umakyat bukas, I consider those losses. So, wag niyo ibenta lahat. Just be on the winning side. Kung bumaba yan, okay lang. At least you still won on your other half. Right? So, we're gonna be talking about, before I go to my picks, puntahan ko yung mga tanong nyo. Janelle, IDC, yes, we discussed IDC yesterday. Diba? Si IDC, I told you yesterday, IDC has a reversal confirmation. And look at that. I think sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon, IDC, this is the reversal I'm talking about. And look at that. Ang laki ng panalo. If you went in yesterday, congratulations. Pero ito yung sinasabi ko, whenever it's at the top, set a trailing stop loss. Pag sa tuktok na wala na yan ng momentum, sell it. Yan, habang bumababa, sell it already. But don't sell all. Sell half kasi yan. Nag-stop siya sa 5.36. Maybe it's gonna go up today. If you still, kung gusto nyo pa humabol, I will not recommend that because we already are in between. Yan. We are already in between support and resistance. Right? So, malaki na risk nyo. Pag bumagsak yan ulit sa sa support, look at that. Malaki ang talo nyo dyan. Right? So, huwag na humabol kay IDC. Yung mga nakapasok hapon, good job. Right? Right. Sige. So, tapos na tayo kay IDC. Janelle, good job. Yan. Let's talk about now kay tsaka STR. Di ba kahapon nag-discuss tayo sino ang bet ko? And thankfully, we were right. Right? Went in now kahapon at its bounce. Let's discuss about what happened with now kahapon. Right, yan. So now, let's pull this to 1 minute. Let's put this to 1 minute. Look at this one right here. Bumagsak nga si Now at the start of the day. But look at that waterfall right there. This is people panic selling and they don't know why they are selling. Because people are selling, nagbebenta din sila, and yun na nga, stock market is a process of transferring money from the impatient. Eto mga to, these are impatient right here, to the patient. The patient ones waited here. Look at this. This is what I've been always discussing to you about. This is the reversal sign right here. What do you call this? It triggered the Bollinger Band at the bottom, and then there's that engulfing stick, and from then on, see now umakyat na to recover. These are the waterfalls. I have a video about waterfalls. These are very good spots to trade to get quick cash, especially in very volatile stocks. Right? Si STR kahapon ang daming waterfalls. Yan, ganito. Even if the market is bullish, there's always avenue to earn. Kahapon si STR is very shaky kahit nang pumalo siya. Look at this right here. This is a waterfall. This is people panic selling. Right? So nagkabentahan, and then ito yung sinasabi ko, just wait for it to fill the gap. Diba? I discussed this yesterday. There will be this climb right here. Then it filled the gap right here, and that's an area to gain right here. Etong bounce na ito, this is a very strong bounce kahit dito kayo pumasok. This is instant. Look at that. In just how many minutes, pwede kang kumita ng 14%. But sell all. Whenever a waterfall happens, expect a downtrend. But these are areas where you can buy again and gain again. Look at this right here. This is another waterfall, right? That's a 10% waterfall. So I always expect half. So meron ka mga 5% at least. Look at that. The gain is 6%. These are from people who are impatient. Nagbentahan. And then look at that. This is another 10% waterfall. I always expect just half. Yan, umabot siya 6. It even returned to 9. Diba? This is the reason why I always mention don't sell all. Right? Yan. So these are avenues to earn, especially from very volatile stocks. Yan. Si STR ngayon at 1-day point is still at sakit na itong bagsak niya kahapon. Ang laki, di ba? It fell 24% yesterday. Right? Kinain niya rin yung gain niya. But this is a good point right here. Most probably, this is still gonna fall. Magiging parang sinaw to kahapon. Baka bumagsak to ng konti before going up. So, abangan nyo ito. There's money to be made here, but don't commit. This is gonna be going back to its normal levels. Right? So, let's go to my picks today. Right? One of my pick, si Wilcon. Very strong Wilcon. Right? Very strong numbers. May dividends pa siya on May 12. Tapos na pala yan. Very strong numbers, right? But why did I pick Wilcon today? Because it has a support already. Maliit ang risk ninyo. You can try to bargain, but look at that risk. You can always 5% cut loss is very far away. You have another support here at -3. And ang ganda ng position. And you can cut loss below that at around 5%. There we go. And your possible winning is at this position. Pwede kang pumasok agad. Or you can wait for a little bargain at around this area. Around, yan, mga 11.14, 11.13. Around that area. That's why I love the position of Wilcon right now. This is a very strong company. So, wala, huwag kayo matakot. But yes, again, that you know that the market is bearish. So, konting ingat, trade at your own risk. They always say that. Next pick is SBS. Yan, discussed about SBS yesterday. Yan, Bollinger Band triggered. Kahapon, it did pull back, but look at that. MA20, right? My favorite MA20, nag-bounce. If you were watching SBS, this was the best time to get in. And you could have won that much still. Right now, it's still Bollinger Band triggered. But this right here, doji siya. So, it's really indefinite. We're just banking on the dividend. Ayun, tapos na pala yung dividend niya. Right, so, yan, ganyan lang. Look at this stock, alright? Baka umakit pa ito eh. Just don't get in right away. Look at the price action. Kahapon bumagsak nga siya, diba? So, don't get in right away. So, next is CPV. Right? If napansin nyo ang mga basura stocks, tinitingnan ko na. Because that's where you make money in this bearish market. Bagsakan ng mga indexes, right? So why this stock? Look at this. It's sitting at its resistance. Baka mag-breakout. It has a good volume kahapon. May volume siya konti. Baka mag-breakout to ngayon. You can be aggressive and then get in the breakout. And then, akyat yan. Cut loss below this support. Pa rin yung mag-cut loss sa banyan. Right? But this is for intraday traders. Right? IDC, yan. Kakadiscuss ko lang kanina kay IDC. Huwag na kayong pumasok. Right? Sinaw. Yan, Sinaw. Look at now. Tingnan natin Sinaw. Ang ganda na position niya. This is the bounce right here. Malayo-layo persistence niya. Now should be good to get into. For me, yeah, magandang position niya. Kasi malayo pa resistance, right? But, tingnan niyo yung price action, right? Pag gumalaw to na maganda today, intraday, use Bollinger Bands, right? Intraday, right there, magsastabilize pa to ng konti, but use Bollinger Bands. Ito yung sinasabi ko kahapon, right? Always, look at this, triggered, engulfing, that's a positive sign. That's a triggered, and then there's the engulfing, that's signal to go up, right? Triggered and engulfing, that's a signal to go up. Right, so, yan, intraday, ganyan din gamitin nyo. Pag nag-sideways yan, and then mag-trigger sa taas, that's good then naman. Alright, so but now, sa intraday kay now, panoorin nyo to, right? This might go sideways for a bit before really rallying up, right? Just be sure to watch the market. These positions are very delicate. Remember that. Yan, right? How delicate. If pumasok kayo dyan at hindi nyo binantayan, look at that. You can lose around 15% if you do not watch the market. So please, if you want to get in these hype stocks, tawag dyan, these are the, what do you call this? Ito gambling to kasi this is speculative stock diba? This is a speculative stock. But with the market right now, I won't blame you if you want to ride on speculative stocks kasi mas maganda ang volatility doon, may pera doon. But as long as you know how to ride these stocks, right? Yun. For now, make sure to watch it. If papasok man kayo, wag nyong iiwan. If ayaw nyo maipit, wag nyo iiwan. Look at the market, watch the market as long as it's trading. Right? Pag hindi nyo naman mapapanood market, wag na kayong pumasok kayo now. Same with STR, right? So, isa sa mga recommendation ko ngayon, WebY, position-wise, look at that. Let me pull up the RSI. Look at that. Overbought na siya at its level. And it's at its strong support right here. It bounced at 5.46. So that's good position right there. Right now, maganda position ni Web. Just wait for that confirmation buying. Pag nag-green yan, that's a good time to get in. Cut loss below this support right here. Manage your risks. Yan. Trading tayo ngayon, right? Wala mo ng investments, right? Right now, Web is going down with other markets, right? Maganda na yung position niya, right? It's at its support. Baka mag-bounce diba? Maganda yung bounce niya pag support. Just wait for that bounce and you can get in. Pwede ka mag-sell half after, right? Next is SPC. And SPC, right? This is the pullback to MA20 from a Bollinger Band trigger. Maganda yan. And then, may dividends pa siya. This ex-date is on June 6, right? So, maybe you can play with that dividends. But right now, it's on a very good position. It's near its MA20. Baka gumawa na to ng support anytime soon. You can get in. Right? With this backed up by dividends, so most probably aakyat ito. So, this is a very good position. Right, so I'm gonna go to your questions. Kanina may nagtanong sa atin about Vita. Let's check out Vita. Alright, right now, Vita, yun. Nasa support na naman. But careful guys, this is a higher low right here. Right, downtrend ito siya. Right there. Ingat lang. This is a downtrend. If it breaks the downtrend, then that's good. But you are near support. If you see a green here, pwede nyo pasukin. But ingat lang kasi this is on a downtrend. Hopefully, ma-break nyo yung downtrend nyo at mag-sideways ito. Triggered, and then this one right here is a trigger, and then there's the engulfing. So, most probably, mag-sideways na ito. So, anytime soon, this will stabilize, and that's a good entry point pag nag-stabilize na si Vita. Right, so, definitely, yan, bakit hindi ko nakita si Vita today? Thank you for asking this. I'm gonna be putting Vita on my watch list for these coming days, right? Vita, guys. Yan. Pag nag-stabilize na to, pag may support na yan dyan, that's the best time to get in. Next is PXP. Maraming nagtatanong about PXP. And IMI, XECP, XECP from day, X at ECP, and then Janelle is asking about IMI then. Sige, tingnan natin si X. Yan. Si PXP muna, PXP. Alright, PXP. Delikado. We have a support here. It's downtrend pa siya. Wala pa tayong reversal. Sorry about this. Right. Wala pa tayong reversal sign for PXP. Nag-break niya yung support niya. We have another support right here around this area. So, medyo malabo pa si PXP, guys. If you wanna get in, I will not recommend that as of the moment. Speculative pa rin yung stock na ito kasi lumalabo yung China and Philippines na what do you call this, yung joint oil exploration, right? Lumalabo, kaya lumalabo din ang galaw ni PXP. So wag muna, delikado, right? Speculative kasi itong stock nito So let's go to X. Yan, si X, ang ganda ng movement kahapon, right? From this right here, eto ni support niya. Actually, we already missed this. This is a normal market movement. Right now, I can't recommend that because tignan nyo guys ang resistance and your support. We've already missed the bus. This is very risky. You can 9% yan. Pwede kayong mag-antay ng konti dito sa MA20 niya to lessen your risk. But at the moment, for me, this is too risky. You can try, right? Baka mag-Bollinger Band triggered ulit yan today. You can try X. Right? But as long as you can watch the market. Yan. Ito nga pala, one of my lessons really, when it comes to trading, make sure if you are trading, mapapanood mo ang market. At least 50%, 40 to 50% of the trading time. Yung nasusulipan na lagi ang market. Right? For swing trading at least. But for intraday trading, if your purpose in getting in the market is intraday trading, watch the market full time. If hindi nyo mapapanood ng yung market full time, huwag nyo nang pilitin mag-trade. Huwag intraday trade. Huwag nyo pipilitin. This is how many people lose. Because you don't know if the market will go down suddenly, and if hindi nyo mapapanood yan, for sure, investor kayo pagkatapos niyan. Right? This is one of the reason why many Filipinos lose. Kasi yung time factor nila, hindi na kayang, it's not really for trading, but pinipilit nila mag-trade. This is why you lose. Right? Wag na kayong pumasok for these very risky positions. Wag kayong papasok dyan. Right? If hindi nyo mapapanood market. Right? So that's for X. Right? Very risky as of the moment. So next question is ECP. ECP, ang ganda ng panalo kahapon before it fell down. But that's a good sign. Baka mag-get ulit si ECP today. And right now, ECP is at very near support. Risk-wise, tingnan natin. Malaki. Right. Risk-wise, malaki siya, masakit. Price action na lang basehan nyo dito. Look. Yan. SSP from Irideo. Yeah. But look at the price action today. Right? Kahapon, look at this as ECP. Right? Kahapon. Right. If it does sideways, yan. Nag-Bollinger Band trigger. This is a good sign right there. So, eto yung panoorin nyo bukas. If ever it does a Bollinger Band trigger, this was the Bollinger Band trigger from a sideways movement. Right now, nagsa-sideways yan, baka mag-stabilize pa yan. Wherever it triggers, get in, but do not commit. Right? Ito yung sinasabi ko. This is a risky position again. Malaki ang talo nyo dito. 12% yung risk natin. Ang layo ng support. Right? So, if mag-trigger siya sa taas, you can test buy. If you are a trader, you can buy it when it triggers above. Most probably, mag-sideways pa ito saglit. If it triggers sa baba, wag muna. And then just wait for it to bounce. Right? Yung tinuturo ko sa inyong negative trigger sa baba with Bollinger Band. After that, engulfing, let it stabilize, and then that's your entry point if you want to go to catch it from the bottom. But if this goes sideways and then mag-trigger sa Bollinger Band sa taas, that's your signal to get in. Right? So that's for ECP. We have a question about IMI. And then, mix ko si TBGI, and SPXP, IMI, PLC. Yeah, from Janelle. Roel, kamusta na kaya si MRC? Let's get into MRC in a bit, right? GMA 7, kamusta ba si GMA 7? Nirecommend ko to kapon eh, hindi ko lang napanood kasi hindi ako pumasok. Right, let's go to 1 minute, 1 day. Ayun, sayang, but it rested above that, right? So that's a good sign, right? MA20, pwede kayong humabol dyan sa MT. Ang ganda nito kapon, nung pumunta siya sa MA20, then when the reversal happened, umakit siya dyan. Right? Still at a very good position. Still lurking at the resistance. Naglalaro pa rin siya sa resistance niya. So, ganda pa rin sa GMA7. But yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko. Yesterday, breakout. Kaso nga lang, nag-fail siya. So, antayin po lang natin yung confirmation. Right? Definitely watch GMA7. Right? Nag-figure na yan. Most probably, hindi na yan bababa sa support niya. So look for a good position at around this area, right? Your risk-wise, if that bababa naman siya, look at that, only 2%. How stable the stock is, yan. Ito yung tinuturo ko nung Sunday, whenever the Bollinger Band is constricted, that's a very stable stock. So if pumasok kayo dyan, alit pa rin ang risk nyo. Look at that. You can cut loss at around this area right here, just 3% loss, right? That's a very good position. And then breakout na siya. So that's very low risk. Kaya gusto ko mga ganitong position. Very low risk place. Right? Let's go to IMI. The question was IMI. Si IMI, look at that. Ang ganda. Support right there. IMI. Kaso nga lang negative siya for first quarter, but this is Ayala-backed company. So, yan. Risk-wise, ang ganda na risk nyo. So, anytime you can get in this one right here. So it has strong support. The support was confirmed yesterday even. Right? 2 araw na na-confirm yung support na yan. Opened and then, bumaba siya dito. Right there. Opened higher. Did go down, but when it reached that support, it bounced. That's a strong support right there. That's hit 3 times. That was hit 3 times. So maganda yung position niya. Mark Joseph, I think nagloading ka sa your internet. Joshua, good morning. Late ako. Good morning, Maestro Lloyd. It's okay. You can always replay the video naman eh. Right, so that's IMI. Ang gandang position na IMI. Good call on that. Hindi ko to napanood si IMI, but right now it's in a very good position. Right? Maliit ang risk nyo dyan. Ang layo pa ng resistance right there. So risk to reward ratio wise, ang ganda. Right? So definitely watch IMI. Next is TBGI. Ito, mga telco, mga paborito kong i-trade this year. Yan, TBGI after that rally, bumagsak. Yan. Kasi TBGI, hindi naman wala naman sa third telco na diba? And I'm not sure bakit umaakyat sa TBGI because siguro sa mga speculation din. But right now, TBGI, I don't think TBGI will climb again anytime soon. But ang ganda na yan. Malapit na siya sa support. So, if you really like TBGI, pwede nyo abangan yan sa support. But as of now, wala I don't see TBGI in the third telco serie. Yun nga, ba? So, I'm not really sure if why this is going up. So, next is PLC. Yan. This is one of the stocks that I am watching. PLC. Right, it has its support already right there. Right, bumagsak siya ng konti but still returned. PLC is at support right now. So, yan. Risk-wise, ang ganda. Second support niya is right here, which was hit yesterday and then it bounced from there. And then look at your risk at this current position. Look at that. So, pwedeng nyo itong laruin. Right? Swing trading for this company is good, right? It has its meron silang ginagawa ni sino mga ba yan? Basta isang hotel din eh. I forgot sino. But this right here is a very good position kay PLC. So, if you want to swing trade, these are good positions right here. So, abangan niyo yan dyan. Because we're already at support. If in case this goes down because it's a bearish market, your risk is very pretty. Right? Just 3%. lang pwedeng ikatalo nyo. You can always cut loss there. Hindi pa si WPI. Right, so we still have time, so I can still go to your requests, your questions. MRC, nga pala guys, just wanna share this out. This right here, if you want to support me, you can sponsor, or you can always click on the super chat, right? If you want to donate for the cause of helping Filipinos, yung mga newbies, especially when it comes to trading, mga katulad no, if you want to help me out, you can support by being a sponsor or donating by clicking on this super chat. If you what do you call this? If you want to send a super chat, yeah, I think it's around just $1.99, $2 lang, right? So if you want to help me out, definitely it will be very much appreciated. It will go a long way into helping Filipinos, right? Pagpapatuloy ko po itong programa na to. Kaso nga lang yan nga, this is very time consuming, internet, kuryente, lahat, and everything, equipment. So if you want to help me out, please do. It will really, really help me. Thank you so much. Alright, so let's go to MRC. Yan, request nila MRC. Ito yun, matagal ko na rin pinapanood sa MRC kaso nga lang wala pang definite movement Right now, it is right there. Meron siyang support dito. So hopefully this will hold, right? MRC. So right now, ang pwede nating tingnan lang talaga is its support, right? If it holds that support, this is a good sign right here. This doji right here. It's down to its support and then bounced. That's a good sign. But again, remember the market is bearish, so wala talagang ganong investors. So usually, yeah, we'll hope for the support to hold. If you want to get in, that's a very good position right here. Magkano yung mali pala. Right, malaki pala. Just wait for it. Right, just do a bargain for a bit. Dito sa mga 0.60. This is a good entry right here. 0.60 will be a good entry. Right? Para lumiit ang risk ninyo. And then your reward ratio, unang resistance niya is right here. Right? So, risk to reward. Punta tayo sa risk to reward. If makabargain kayo dito, let's look at that. Right, cut loss here. You're at least at 5%. Pwede ka manalo ng 16%. That's a good risk to reward ratio. So, if you are looking into MRC, yan, bargain lang ng konti. I'm not sure if this will go up or down. Right now, it's saying that it's gonna be doing sideways. So, pag sideways, good news pa rin yan because you can still trade the swings, diba? So, while it's at support, baka umakit yan, you can always trade that. Right? Resistance 1 lang yun. Paano pa yung resistance 2 pag nag-breakout? So, this is a good position for MRC. I can't really tell if it's gonna go up, but definitely, if you're looking in MRC, this is a good position. Right, so Rene has a question about SSP. Right, so SSP, ayan, pabagsak pa rin Downturn pa rin siya as of now, Rene. Right, delikado pa to. Right, especially the numbers. Look, these numbers, right? So, wag muna kay SSP. If hopefully hindi kayo pit kay SSP, right? So, right now wag muna. Right, so yes, before I continue, I want to share ko yung sponsors natin. eToro, yes guys. May eToro, linagyan ko to ng $200. As of the moment, it's gaining 1.18% without me doing anything. Gain na ako ng $2.36 without doing anything, right? So if you're looking for a way to earn extra, right, open eToro. There is a link in the description of this video. Please use that link. If hindi kayo mag-sponsor sa akin, at least make an eToro account and put money in it. That will help me also in return because I am endorsing eToro right now. Nag-test lang ako sa kanya ng $200. Right now, I'm already earning after a week, I'm already earning $2.36. Right. Maliit lang kasi linagay ko. What if I put in there 100,000? This is already $2,000 gain. I mean, $200,000 gain. $200 gain. Yan, malaki na yan. Hindi. 200 pesos na pala na gain. Malaki na yan. Right? For just watching, doing nothing. Just copy trading. So, if you have extra and you don't have time really to trade, go to eToro. it will help you, right? It's a good avenue to earn extra. Right, so going back, si MRC, tapos na tayo kay SSP, MRC, yan, Melisa, VLL, very good question, VLL, mga Villar stocks. Right, tulad ni kahapon, ang laki ng bagsak ni VLL. Right now, your risk to reward ratio, ang pangit, andyan yung resistance, palapit na resistance, or support nyo ang layo. So, this is very risky. So, I won't recommend VLL muna. Right, BRN, wag kayong hahabol, please, wag kayong ma-FOMO. Right, always yan. Ito yung sinasabi ko lagi, before getting in a stock, always ask how much your risk is. Right, punta tayo balik kay VLL. At this position right here, so plot natin yung support and resistance. At this position, how much are you risking? Right? Before getting in, yung presyo nyo kayo 6.73, always ask what is your risk. Your risk at this position is, bababa ko kasi this is where you cut loss, diba? So, you're at risk at 8.32%. Pwede kayo matalo ng 8.32%. If okay lang sa inyo yan, then go ahead. If hindi yan okay, kung hindi nyo na plano yung cut loss nyo, habang bumababa yan, nagpapanik yan. So, dapat planado nyo ito. Always ask yourself how much the risk is para at least habang bumababa yan, kasi your expectations are already set. You're ready for 8% loss. Hindi kayo magpapanik. So, but for me, this is too risky, right? 8%, laki niyan. Pera yan. So, I will not recommend yan just for how much winnings. Possible winning mo 3% lang. I won't take that risk. Right? So, don't trade muna VLL. Alright, so next question is, tapos na tayo kay Melisa, Fayette, and Gia, BRN. Let's look at BRN. So, we still have time. Uy, BRN is stabilizing right there. Very strong support. Sorry. Hindi yan dapat ang pinulap ko. This is the support area for BRN right there. So that's a good position to get into. Right? If you want to trade BRN, ang ganda ng numbers nito. Look at that. Quarter 1, 1,438%. Ang laki niyan. That's very good numbers. Kaso nga lang, the market is really bearish kaya wala talagang nag-i-invest. But if you want to get in BRN, you could not ask for a better position than this one. Right? Ang ganda ng position niya. Risk-wise, if you want to cut loss, meron tayong support 2. Dalawang support pa pwede mong pagdaanan. Right? You can cut loss at the second support right here and you're only at risk of 6.44. Ang laki pa ng pwede mong ipanalo. BRN. I don't know why I did not recommend this today. Definitely, I'll be officially adding BRN on my recommendations. Right? Hindi ko na gaano na kikita lahat. Right? Very good, Fayette. This is a good find. Right? Keep this up. RWM. Bilisan lang natin ng konti. Right? RWM, sideways pa rin siya. No definite movement, but definitely on the upside. Above MA20 na siya. Very stable. Let's count our risk if ever you want to trade this stock right here and going to natin at support. Right? Pag pumasok ka dito, right, very good. You're at risk of only 4%, 4.10%. Maganda yan. Right? So RWM, this is good. This is consolidating, but if you will ask me, antayin ko lang yung definite movement, right? Right now, there is no significant movement kay RWM. If you wanna get in aggressively, above MA20, pag may na-bounce yan dyan, that's good entry. Right now, antayin ko lang talaga na mag-breakout ito. Actually, nag-breakout na siya, but it did not touch the Bollinger Band yesterday, or the other day. So, hindi gaano significant yung movement niya. So, right now, bumaba pa siya. Just wait for that significant movement. So that's BRN. No, RWM from Raul. Yan. Rene, WPI. Triggered bottom. So, yan. Tingnan natin. If this is a reversal, then that's good. As of the moment, indefinite yung movement niya. Wag muna. Right? Natatakot ako sa nito. Baka mag-downtrend talaga ito eh. So, as of the moment, wag na muna. But this is long-term support right here. So, definitely watch it. Right? Wag lang muna, wala pa tayong confirmation. If we get a confirmation, you can be aggressive. Meron naman yung support. This is a very strong support. 1, 2, 3, and it's long-term support. Look at that. So this is a good position right here. If you want to start investing WPI, but I will recommend only investing when the market already recovered. Right? Yung market kahapon, it went down. That could cause a panic. Ang dami na nagtatanong, nagka-crash na ba ang market? Nagka-crash na ba ang market? We still have 7.2. Pag umabot ng 6,000 yan, I can consider it as a crash talaga. That is why I am considering looking at Forex. Actually, I'm already practicing trading Forex and it's doing good. Right? So, Forex, hindi nawawala ang volatility. Ang ganda kahapon. Ang ganda kahapon ng trade namin. So, if you wanna trade, mas maganda, go to Forex. Right? Ramil has no audio. Everyone can hear me properly. So I think Ramil may problema sa inyong side. Just please refresh it. Right. Jonathan, Heaven. Yan. Yan. Sabi ko lang kay Heaven kanina. Evanica, I've already discussed about Heaven kanina. We can review that. Yan. No definite movement. Bumagsak pa nga kahapon. So delikado yung signal na yan. Right. Ang minimum ng eToro is only $200. If you want to start with $200, that's around 10,000 pesos pang opening right there, and you can already start earning, right? Just make sure, ang problema kay eToro is it's international. So stricto sila when it comes to withdrawals. So be sure, if you have a passport, much better, mas mabilis mag-withdraw. If you have an internationally, what they call this, identified ID, right? Yan. WPIS natapos na si WPI. MPI and POPS. Very good questions, Jonathan. MPI. Right. Unahin natin si MPI. Metro Pacific. Maganda ang company. Kaso nga lang, the market is bearish. It broke its support right here. So, abang tayo dito. Mag-abang tayo dito. This is the best area right here to wait for it. So, abangan lang muna natin si MPI. It's just the market really. The market is very bearish. Kaya ang pangit. Even POPI. POPI is a good company. Kaso nga lang bumabagsak. Right there, look at that. And it's hitting its new support, right? Alright, abangan na natin to dito. Right? This is a good area. Hopefully, the market recovers soon. Actually, ako may POPI ako, but I'm in POPI as investing. So, I entered here at this support and then bumagsak siya. It's okay. I know my purpose in POPI. Ang purpose ko kay POPI is to invest. So, yeah, mag-average down ako. I'm just gonna buy more once I see the bounce. Right? It really depends on your what they call this, purpose in getting in. If you get in as a trader, if you want to trade POPI, then wag muna. Right? Always cut loss. Right? Okay. PLC and POPI, yeah, na Janelle, we already answered that. Heaven, we already checked that. Bloom, sir, hit the support. Yes, Bloom. Ganda rin ni Bloom eh. Right. Oh my God, nag-break down pala si Bloom. Yeah. Nga pala yung Instagrams competition, hindi ko gaano na pumasok ko kay Bloom, tapos naiwan ko na, really was busy. So may Investa Cup was sa lang ako, sa PLC lang ako nag-gain, tapos bumagsak naman siya after. So hindi ko na napansin talaga. Right, so yes, very good. Sino nga ba to? Mark Jefferson, very wise. This is a very good find. Yan, nag-slow na yung bagsak niya and it's hitting support right there. This is strong support right here. Hit twice and then right there. So definitely watch out for Bloom. This is a good stock. Very good find, Mark. Right? Guys, I'm adding Bloom to my list. Right? This is a good company. Right? And look at that. That's at support already. Right there. So antayin nyo yung bounce niyan. Once the bounce starts, that's a good entry. Right there. Welcome, Jonathan. Where do you trade Forex? If you don't mind asking. Actually, internet trade ko is P Pro 8. Ang kagandahan kasi ng P Pro 8 is we have a partner that funds our trade. Right? Hindi ako nag-cash out ng pera. I just trade for them and then I get a commission for trade. Right? So, siguro I'll be discussing about that in the future. Right? Wala tayong oras eh. It's already 9. I'll give you time to prepare for the market. So, yun. On the list is Bloom. Yeah, definitely Bloom. Tingnan niyo si Bloom. Yung mga nabanggit ko, hindi ko na I hope you're taking down notes. Hindi ko nakapag-take down notes. I'll definitely do that next time. This program is just new. Kakasimula lang ng program na ito. So, I'm still adjusting ano pwede kong gawin. Even the time, I adjusted the time. Magsa-stop tayo usually at 9 para may time pa kayong 30 minutes to prepare the market. Right? So, next time, I'll be taking notes. Yan. I hope you're taking down notes sa mga nasabi ko kanina, ano magagandang stocks. So, let's do that. Ruble in DDL. Okay, I still have room for 3 more questions. Right? DD triggered sa Bollinger Band sa baba, but support is there. So, hopefully, this will bounce today. Dahil dun sa news ni DD kahapon, kaya bumagsak siya. Right? So, as of the moment, abang tayo. Right? Wait for that bounce. Right? So, any more questions? Wala naman. So, before we end, yan, I can share again my eToro. ATN, sige. ATN, sa IDC na-discuss na natin sa ATN. Costco, right? So, before we go that, yes, the good thing about eToro, so hindi pa nakapanood is, you can copy trade. Copy trading is, yan, may video ako about copy trading. You can check that out. You just look for people. Their trades are very, what do you call this? Transparent, right? So, for example, this guy, you can see his stats. For this month, for this year, dalawa lang ang red niya. Last year, all green siya except for December. So, a total of 43% ang nag-gain niya for last year. Right now, first month niya, this is his stats. You can see that. Even his portfolio, you can see. So if you like his trading style, you can copy him, just put funds, and whatever percentage he gains, you gain too. That's it. That's how easy eToro is. Just copy trading. If you really don't have time, but has money, yan ang problem. Especially to the OFWs na walang oras na mag-trade talaga or to learn, just do copy trading. This is one of the best avenue to earn. Right, so DD, yan. DD is bagsak. Last three, MBT, RLC, tsaka GMA7 from Bevis. Costco pala. ATN and Costco. Unahin natin sa ATN. Right, ATN. ATN, yan. Nag-break na ng MA20, so this is a sign na mag-change na yung mag-change the direction niya after hitting the resistance right there. So most probably mag-sideways ito. It has a good support right here. So watch for that. Another support is here. Right, so antayin na natin yung bounce. Abang yan, abang. Huwag muna pumasok. Right, Costco. But ATN definitely is going up. Right, laki ng product nila na yan. Right, Costco, yun. That's the engulfing, that's the stabilization. Baka makit nito. Right, Costco is doing good. Look at those numbers. Very consistent numbers. Kaso nga lang, yan, market sentiments are down. But look at this right here. That's the support right there. Mas mababa pa nga siya. Ang presyo niya is a bargain. Costco has been very consistent in earning. Ang presyo niya, it's as if hindi siya tumutubo, lumalaki yung company. That's how good of a bargain it is. It's 2015, noong 2015, yun yung presyo niya, 6.40. Right now, yung presyo niya is at 6.40 still. So, it's the same price as 2 years ago. So, it's as if Costco did not grow. But in reality, the company is growing. So, yung real value nito, malaki nito. So, this is a real bargain. Last one, si Bevis, GMA7 RAD na ano ko na yan, na-discuss ko na yan kanina. So, this will be the last two from Bevis, MBT and RLC. MBT. Right, MBT, bagsak because of the market. It broke its support. So, abangan muna natin. Baka bumaba pa to sa RSI niya. So, that's so good. That will be a good area to buy. As of the moment, put it in your radar. MBT is a very good company. Market nga lang is very bad. RLC, ayan. Kagandahan ni RLC. Right, so, medyo mataas na siya. Let's wait for it to, at MA20, right? Right now, nasa sideways siya. Bollinger Band is telling us na magsa-sideways ito. So, it hit that resistance right here. Nag-breakout siya, but it did not hold the breakout. Right, so, baka bumagsak to. We really can't tell as of the moment. I will recommend waiting for it at MA20, say RLC. But definitely, very good. I already recommended RLC at around this area. Kasi may news yun. I just forgot the news. Parang ganda nun. And then, there it is. Right, so, I guess that's it for today. Yan, last na lang. We still have time naman for the market. Right, so Vulcan. Right. Still stabilizing. Lumiit pa nga di ba? It has a support right here. There's no significant movement as of the moment. So, usually, hindi mo na ako gagalaw yan. But if you want to get in, this support is good area right here. Para if in case na sa baba siya mag-trigger ng Bollinger Band, you can always cut loss at very minimal, with very minimal loss. That's for Vulcan. Right, that's it for today. Right? Good luck sa market today. Again, do not trade if you cannot watch a market. That is how you lose. Respect your profile. If your profile is telling you that investor ka lang, just do investing things. That's how you survive in the market. Let's get rich together. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow, same time, 8:15 magsa-start yung program, right? So we can discuss the market tomorrow. You're welcome. You're welcome, everyone. Have a great day. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.